Welcome to Blender 4.5 course part 11. In the previous part, we've introduced how to make UVs for the 3D model, and I've applied textures on this sphere and this cube. Now I want to create a UV for this model, which is more complicated, and then I will send this model to Substance Painter, a advanced texturing tool, to make the textures. I don't want to start Substance Painter from scratch. You can access to all chapters and the other parts from the playlist here, and also the link is in the description. Alright, let's create the UV for this model, 3D model. Go to the UV editing. Here I need to remove the current default UV. Select the polygon tool or 3 on the keyboard, press A to select all the polygon, press U on the keyboard and reset. Alright, now I need to add the seam or cuts in some areas that it's necessary to remove the pressure. For example, if I want to create a UV for this cone shape, I need a cut here, a cut here, and a cut here on the top. So with this, we will remove the pressure, and we can easily convert a 3D model to a 2D representation. Here I need to go to the edge mode using the 2 key, press Alt and click to select the edge loop, and then press Shift and Alt and click here. Here we have 2 edge loops, and press U and mark seam. Here we've cutted these areas, and here we need another cut. But if I select polygon tool, A, U, and create a UV, as you can see, the structure is not good because everything here is not correct. Actually, we have pressure on the current UV because we can't create a cone 2D representation without a vertical cut. Here we need to select a edge and press Alt to select the edge loop here. As you can see, we have an incorrect edge loop. We need to unselect this edge loop. We just need this. We need to press Ctrl and drag, and here I will upload every chapter of the course every week. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification to know about the new chapters and new tutorials. Alright, actually I need to remove this and also this. Alright, press U and mark seam. Alright, here press A in the polygon mode and unwrap angle based. Here, as you can see, we have a correct UV map. We need to do this for this section as well. Here, too. You can select using the Shift, not using the Alt. And also press Alt and Shift to select the edge loop here. And this section now is separated. Right, and the bottom is good. Press 3 button, A, U, and unwrap angle based. Alright, as you can see, we have a good structure. It's correct. We don't have any pressure, as you can see, on the polygons and edges. As I said in the previous chapter, you need to select all the polygons and press S and scale it down a little, because we shouldn't have a overlap edge with border of the UV. Alright, our UV is ready, and now the model is ready to send it to the Substance Painter. To export the model, you need to select it, go to the file, export, and we have many file types here. The standard file type between all the 3D tools is FBX. FBX is supported by all 3D models and even game engines. Alright, here we have some options. For example, you need to select what you want to export. The selected object, which is the bottle, I already selected, visible objects, or active collection, this collection, all the group. We need to select the selected objects. And then what is the object type? Empty or nothing, camera, lamp or light, armature or skeleton, mesh, other. We need to select mesh. Or we can select all because we just selected the 3D model, and no matter we select a camera or not, because we didn't select any camera. Also, we have extra options. For example, you can change the direction of the model, the scale of the model, and so on. But the most important part is the animation. If your model has animation, select this. But if you don't have, just like me, unselect it. Alright, press export FBX. And now, as you can see, we have a bottle.fbx. In the next step, I will send it to the Substance Painter.